World Environment Day is observed on June 5th every year. A healthy, sustainable environment is under considerable threat because of human exploitation. If we can switch to renewable energy, we can reduce the threat to the environment. In today's video, we will provide you with 5 ways of using renewable energy at home. Let us start now. Number 1. Use sunlight to warm your home. During winters, we need quite a bit of energy to keep our homes cozy. For some part of the day, you can let the sunlight come through your windows to keep the rooms warm. You can do the same in summers by insulating the windows with curtains to stop the heat of the sun to enter your rooms. This will keep your room cool at no cost with zero greenhouse emissions. Number 2. Use solar power to light your night. Lightening your house and peripheries at night is essential, but it adds to your electricity bill. We can use a solar power pathway and deck lights that will be charged by sunlight during the daytime and will be lit up at night. You can even use solar energy to run your garden fountains or even heat the water. Number 3. Air source heat pumps. Air source heat pumps are the new trend in renewable energy solutions. It uses the heat from the environmental air, which warms your room and heats your water. Air source heat pumps are not only highly efficient and environmentally friendly, but they have lower greenhouse emissions as well. Number 4. Harnessing wind energy. Whenever wind energy is mentioned, the first thing that comes to our mind is a huge wind farm. However, we can now get smaller wind turbines for home use. A smaller wind turbine can generate enough electricity to power a medium-sized house. Harnessing wind energy not only gives us clean and green energy but also saves us electricity bills. Number 5. Biomass System. Biomass is a range of organic materials, for example wood pellets, grass, and straw, which are burnt to produce energy. The process is simple. Biomass material is burnt to heat water that produces steam. The steam spins the turbine and powers a generator to produce electricity. The biomass system is mostly used in the African continent, but the system can be easily employed anywhere in the world to produce eco-friendly and cheap energy. Thanks for being with us. We hope you liked this small presentation on using renewable energy. Please hit like to encourage our efforts. Also, drop your feedback in the comment section. Subscribe for future updates. Please stay tuned for a new video coming your way now.